Okay, beloved, it's Dr. Chonta Haynes again, jumping right in with your application from 2nd Chronicles, the 20th chapter. This week, it's how to handle or how to find hope in a hopeless situation. We were talking about struggle, but how are we going to find hope? Well, honestly, do like Jehoshaphat. You've got to seek the Lord. But what does that look like adequately? You're going to ask. You're going to pray about it. You're going to have an airstrike. You're not going to do the ground game any longer, but you're going to take an airstrike and you're going to seek God's counsel. Recognize he's your confidant, but recognize also he's your champion. So you're going to find hope because he's going to give you this hope. You know who you can run to. Secondly, you're going to get in his word. The best way for you to hear God is to be in his word. He speaks to us through his word. He also speaks through other people, but the primary way is going to be in his word. You know, that is sure. It's a sure thing there. So yes, you're going to pray about it, airstrike, but you're going to be in his word. Put on your whole armor. And number 3, you're going to declare his promises. Whatever God said about you, he said about you in his word, I want you to declare that over your life. You're going to align your words with his word. You're going to have your word speak faith. Anything that he has said over you, you are going to say as well. You're going to say it to yourself so that you can hear it yourself, because the shortest distance to your ears is from your own mouth. So yes, we're going to do that. So 1, 2, 3, you're going to pray, you're going to get in his word, and you're going to declare his promises. That's your application for the week. That's how you're going to find hope in a hopeless situation. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your week. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously.
Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as a confidence in the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double Ds, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be.
You can find us online at h2truth.org. At Heart to Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's word, standing on his promises, walking out his principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.